Vidura College, Colombo. Grade 1, Buddhism. Swarnamali Chethiya. Ruwanwali Saya. Okay. Now, today I am going to do a Buddhism lesson. First of all, I will recall the previous lesson. Can you remember the previous lesson? Yes. We learned about Jaya Sri Maha Bodhi. Why is it important for us? Why is it important for us? Because Buddha attained Buddhahood under the Sri Maha Bodhi tree. Because Buddha attained Buddhahood under the Sri Maha Bodhi tree. Where is Sri Maha Bodhi located? Where is Sri Maha Bodhi located? It is located at Anuradhapura. It is located at Anuradhapura. Who brought Sri Maha Bodhi to Sri Lanka? Who brought Sri Maha Bodhi to Sri Lanka? Therani Sangamitta brought Sri Maha Bodhi to Sri Lanka. Who brought Sri Maha Bodhi to Sri Lanka? Therani Sangamitta brought Sri Maha Bodhi to Sri Lanka. From where did she bring? From where did she bring? She brought it from Buddha Gaya. Therani Sangamitta brought Sri Maha Bodhi from Buddha Gaya. Who was the king at that time? Who was the king at that time? The king was King Devanam-Piyatissa. Was King Devanam-Piyatissa was the king at that time. Right. Let's move to today's lesson. Now, today's lesson is about Swarnamali Chethiya. Another name for Swarnamali Chethiya is Ruwanwali Saya. Can you see the picture? Can you see the picture of Ruwanwali Saya? Yes, very good. This is also situated at Anuradhapura. Where is it situated? It is situated at Anuradhapura. Okay, have you been to this place, Pote? Yes, every time we go on a pilgrimage to Anuradhapura, we always visit this place without fail. No? We always visit this sacred place without fail. As we are Buddhist, we call this place as one of the sacred places on earth. Right? We call this as one of the sacred places on earth. Why is it sacred? Because sacred relics of the Buddha are enshrined in this. Okay? Sacred relics of Buddha are enshrined in this Dagaba. We also call the Ruwanwali Saya as Mahathupa, Mahasaya, Ratnamali, Mahasaya. Okay. Now, we'll move to the next one. Ruwanwali Saya was built by King Dutugamona. In this picture, you can see a picture of King Dutugamona And also you can see a statue of King Dutugamunu. Okay, east side of the stupa you can see a statue of King Dutugamunu. When you go to worship Ruwanvali Saya next time, you can visit this place, right? There is a story that gives the reason for this Dagaba to be named as Swarnamali Chaitya. Okay, shall I tell you the story? Right, then listen carefully. In that time, there was a Telembu tree in this place where this Dagaba was built. This tree was the abode of a goddess named Swarnamali. What is abode? Abode means residence. Okay, house. This tree was the residence of a goddess named Swarnamali, the home of a goddess, right? What is the name of the goddess? Yes, goddess Swarnamali. When the king Dutugamunu wanted to build the Dagaba, he requested the goddess to leave the tree and find a new place to reside. Okay, when King Dutugamunu wanted to build this Dagaba, he requested the goddess to leave this tree, leave her home and find a new place to reside. What happened? The goddess agreed and asked the king to name this Dagaba in her name. Now what has happened? The goddess agreed and asked the king to name this Dagaba in her name. So the king promised to do so. He named the Dagaba as Swarnamali Chaitya. After building this Dagaba, King Dutugamunu named it as Swarnamali Chaitya. That is how this Dagaba got the name. Okay. Now Pute, I am going to tell you about the parts of a stupa. Right? Can you see the picture? Yes. We'll start from the bottom. The bottom, can you see? There are 3 rings. There are 3 rings. Those rings we call Pesa Valalu. Okay? Pesa Valalu. And after that you can see a part like a half circle. Dome. Right? We call that part as Garbhaya. What is it? Garbhaya. And on the Garbhaya, you can see a part which is square shape. Right? That is we call Hatharas Kotuwa. Okay? Now, on that Hatharas Kotuwa, there's a small part called Devata Kotuwa. Right? On that Devata Kotuwa, there's a part like a cone. That one we call Koth Kerala. What is it? Koth Kerala. On that you can see the Kotha. Right? On that you can see the Kotha. On the top of the Kotha you can see Chudamanikya. Okay? On the top of that you can see Chudamanikya. Now those are the parts of a stupa. We'll start from the beginning, right? First, Pesawalalu. Next, Garbhaya. Next, Hataras Kotuwa. And after that, Devata Kotuwa. And Kotkaralla. On top of Kotkaralla, you can see Kotha. And on top of the Kotha, you can see Chudamanikya. Recently, we have placed a new Chudamanikya for Swarnamali Chaitya. Now we are going to see that. This is the new pinnacle, the new Chudamanikya of Swarnamali Chaitya. Right? This is the new Chudamanikya of Swarnamali Chaitya. This is made out of crystal and gold and precious stones. Okay, this Chudamanikya is made out of crystal, gold and precious stones. Okay, there's a special gatha to worship Swarnamali Chaitya. Okay, now let's worship the Swarnamali Chaitya with that.
Sain suyasmin sugatasya dhatum nimmayaran sujjala buddharupam suvannamaliti patitanamam vandamaham thopavarang mahagam.
Now we have come to the end of the lesson. I have some questions. Now I'm going to ask, right? Okay. Question number 1. Who built Ruwanvali Saya? Who built Ruwanvali Saya? Yes. King Dutugamunu built Ruwanvali Saya. King Dutugamunu built Ruwanvali Saya. Question number 2. Where is it situated? Where is it situated? Yes, it is situated at Anuradhapura. It is situated at Anuradhapura. Question number 3. What is enshrined in it? What is enshrined in it? Sacred relics of Buddha are enshrined in it. Sacred relics of the Buddha are enshrined in it. Question number 4. Question number 4. What was the name of the goddess who resided there? What was the name of the goddess who resided there? Can you remember? Yes, goddess Swarnamali resided there. Goddess Swarnamali resided there. Now the last question. Question number 5. What are the other names of Swarnamali Chaitya? What are the other names of Swarnamali Chaitya? Ruwanvali Saya, Mahastupa, Ratnamali, Mahasaya. Ruwanvali Saya, Mahatupa, Ratnamali, Mahasaya. Okay, now in your textbook, you can find this lesson, and there are some questions, so you can answer with your parents. If you want, you can write those answers in your textbook, and also I will upload the student note. You follow the student note and do the exercise, right? Take your yellow color book and draw a nice picture of a Dagaba and name the parts of it, right? Name the parts of a stupa. Okay? Okay. Thank you and stay safe. Okay? Bye.